Okay, so this is another video, kind of a continuation of the last video, where I took out this door card and replaced this window because I was having issues. And so if you're having issues, this doesn't have to be, but if you've opened this up, replaced the glass, or you've done anything else like that, this and your auto up and down for your window isn't working on your Honda. This is the relearn procedure. Mine wasn't working after I did this job. It was half working. It would go down but not up. So let me walk you guys through that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is turn the key on to the on position, and then you're going to lower your window. So you're going to lower your window, just hold it down, and then keep holding it for like 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, now you're going to raise it all the way up. Okay, it's all the way up. Hold it for 1 or 2 seconds and then let go. Now you can just tap it and see if it works. All right, that works all the way down. Now all the way up, same thing. All right, so that's all it is. It's a really simple procedure to do that. I didn't know what was going on, so it took me a little research. So hopefully this quick little video will help you guys out.